Today, let's talk about the importance of routine HVAC maintenance for rental properties and the many benefits it can bring to both landlords and tenants alike. First and foremost, regular HVAC maintenance helps to ensure that heating and cooling systems operate efficiently, which can lead to significant cost savings on energy bills. By keeping these systems in top condition, landlords can avoid costly repairs and prolong the lifespan of their HVAC equipment. Moreover, routine maintenance helps to improve indoor air quality, creating a healthier and more comfortable living environment for tenants. Clean filters and properly functioning HVAC systems can reduce the presence of allergens and pollutants in the air, promoting better respiratory health for occupants. Another benefit of routine HVAC maintenance is improved tenant satisfaction. When heating and cooling systems work efficiently and reliably, tenants are more likely to be satisfied with their living conditions. This can lead to longer lease terms and lower turnover rates, ultimately benefiting landlords in the long run. Additionally, regular maintenance can help to identify and address potential issues before they escalate into major problems. By catching problems early on, landlords can avoid costly emergency repairs and minimize disruptions for tenants. Furthermore, proper HVAC maintenance can contribute to the overall value of a rental property. Well-maintained heating and cooling systems are seen as attractive features by potential tenants and can help to command higher rental rates. Now let's take a closer look into how Alpine Property Management, Kansas City can assist you in implementing effective HVAC maintenance strategies for your rental properties. As your property management partner, we understand the importance of regular HVAC inspections and maintenance to keep your properties in optimal condition. Our team will schedule routine inspections and maintenance appointments with trusted HVAC professionals to ensure that your heating and cooling systems are operating efficiently and effectively. Moreover, we handle all communication with tenants regarding HVAC maintenance appointments, alleviating the burden from you as the landlord. Our proactive approach ensures that maintenance tasks are completed in a timely manner, minimizing the risk of unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. In addition to HVAC maintenance, Alpine Property Management Kansas City offers a comprehensive range of property management services to meet your needs. From tenant screening and leasing to rent collection and property inspections, we handle every aspect of property management with professionalism and expertise. By partnering with Alpine Property Management Kansas City, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your rental properties are in good hands. Our dedication to exceptional service and attention to detail sets us apart as the premier choice for property management in Kansas City. So, if you're ready to take the hassle out of property management and ensure the continued success of your rental investments, contact Alpine Property Management Kansas City today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights and tips on rental property management.